If you study these 4 topics, the semester is going to go way easier. Let's start with our first topic, which is a basic review of functions. In particular, I'm talking about the shapes of graphs. So if I give you an exponential, or if I give you a trig function, or if I give you a logarithm, all of those functions, we should be able to have a general idea of what their shapes are and how I could quickly sketch that graph. Number 2, we got basic algebra. In every single class that I teach, students struggle with their algebra. Now, this includes things like factoring, foiling, completing the square, long division. I'll also add in here that we need to know our exponent rules. If you don't know these, you are going to struggle. Third, we got log properties. Now, this is a little course dependent, but for the most part, we should have an understanding of how our log properties work. So what happens when you add or subtract logarithms together, or what happens when you take the log of something that has an exponent in it. Fourth, last but not least, trigonometry. Alongside algebra, this is the most important topic. We need to be able to remember values from the unit circle. So if I ask what cosine of pi over 6 is, you've got to know what that value is. We should also remember some of our trig identities, such as the Pythagorean identities. I'd also make sure to review the inverse trig functions and remember where those restrictions occur. Now, I know studying over the summer is not the most ideal pastime, but